Don't visit Cape Town.
That gave me so much hassles. Sorry. The old headphone cable been patched up so many times. I decided to bite the bullet and replace the whole cable. I've cut the cable off, and here I'm just busy trying to get the clean ends as close to the plug connector as possible. Clear everything off there. Get rid of the insulator, and I'll try and slip the heat shrink over that lot, and then tin the tips, and then join. Just remember to put the heat shrink on the other end of the cable as well. What I'm going to do is put a very thin heat shrink on each individual cable, and then heat shrink over the whole lot, and then seal it with some silicone sealer before I close the whole lot up. Alright, yeah, I'm busy getting the little ends ready. I'm going to tin them now. Just remember what is what here. There you go, don't burn my hands. And just notice how I'm resting my hand there to stop me shaking. Old man tremor. Right, I think I speeded things up here somewhere a bit. And what the hell's gone wrong?
When I was busy repairing the cable in the last video clip, my batteries went flat, so I couldn't complete the jobby. So I just want to show you the complete version. This is how I work on the beach and shallow water, etc. The control unit, the Sea Hunter sits inside there. Here is the one end of the phone connector that I repaired, a new cable on. Nice and tight there, and nicely snugly tucked away here. Is the earmuff. So I'll show you how I use it now. Okay, this is the other section of the cable which is repaired. Everything goes inside the waterproof joints. On this one, that is waterproof. I won't say I'll guarantee to 200 foot, but definitely for my needs, snorkeling, etc., I'll be quite happy to take this connection down to 20 foot, 6-7 meters, no problem. Okay, when I go detecting, switch on there, and then this just sits very snugly in here. There she sits there, goes on the pack, sits. There we are, that's it, off we go. I'll keep this ear open so I can listen and so on. This one's sitting nice, baby. Headphone I use in wet conditions. Also, which I'm finding pretty useful, is the wireless Z-Link. Now while like this, I can connect it to the Sea Hunter using this adapter, or I can basically take it off there and plug it into the T2. So that's a common audio source. And got the receiver which goes onto the back strap here. Nice pair of Roland headphones. Also very light and comfortable. Notice I've got this muff the wrong way around. I can now clip the external microphone either here or on the side of it, and it picks up environment, it picks up my voice pretty nicely, and the main reason I'm doing it, it picks up the audio tones from the detector I'm using. So that is, I find that quite useful. Anyway, all of that is for a later date. Thanks for watching, and